We have number 4 here. We're going to use the vertex and the coefficient to match the equation with the graph. So here you have to find the vertex. So the vertex here is going to be 1, and the k here is going to be a 2. So the vertex here would be 1 comma 2. So we're going to look for that point that has 1 comma 2. This looks like it is 1 comma 2. Anything else has 1 comma 2. This also has a 1 comma 2 as well. So now we want to look at the a value. The a value here, it is 2. So here it's going to open up. So that would be this answer here. So this would be the value for a. It would be g of x is equal to 2, x minus 1 squared minus 2. That would be for that one. Let's do a b. So the h here is going to be a negative 1. And then the k here is going to be a negative 2. So that would be the vertex. The a here is 1/2. And it's positive, so it opens up. So let's look for that vertex. Negative 1, negative 1, negative 2. And it opens up. Anything else does that one? Nope, it would be this one. So this would be for b, h of x is equal to 1/2 x minus 1 squared minus 2. Let's look at c here. The vertex here is just a 1 because there's already a negative. And then the k is a 2. So that is the vertex, 1 comma 2. And the a here is negative 2. This opens down. Let's look for that vertex of 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2, and it opens down. Well, this one here is 1 comma 2, and it opens down. So we can say that this is the f of x. F of x is equal to negative 2, x minus 1 squared plus 2. Next, let's look at d, which is p of x. Let's find the vertex. It is a negative 1, and the k here is a 2. So that would be the vertex. The a here is 2, so we see it opening up. All right, let's look for negative 1 comma 2. Negative 1 comma 2, negative 1 comma 2, and it would be this one, and it opens upwards. So that would be our p of x. P of x is equal to 2 parentheses x plus 1 squared plus 2. Let's now look at e. We have a minus 1 for the h. And then the k is a minus 2, and we see that the a value is negative 2. That means it's going to open downwards. Let's see which one has that. Negative 1, negative 2 opens downward, which is the last one. So this is the q of x is equal to negative 2 x plus 1 squared minus 2. So therefore the last one is defaulted to have the vertex of 1 comma 2 for the vertex, and the a value here, it is 2. That opens upwards. That would be our t of x. T of x is equal to 2 parentheses x minus 1 squared plus 2. There you go. That is how you use the vertex to match it up with its equation.